Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. Today, Samsung started the sale of the Galaxy Z Flip, and they are already out of stock in the US. On Samsung's website, there is no longer an option to purchase it. You can't even buy it, and it will ship later. It just flat out says, notify me when we get more in stock. It looks like that date right now is February 21st when they plan to get more in stock. So you can't order it, and then when they come in stock, they'll ship it. You have to actually wait until February 21st. They'll notify you when they're available again. Then you have to go order it before they run out again. So I don't really know how many units Samsung actually sold or how popular the phone was, but based on the Galaxy Fold sales and just the fact that this is new technology, the folding phones, not a lot of everyday average consumers are running out there to get this on day one. So I'm going to guess that Samsung probably did not have a very good stock of them to sell on day one. All the Best Buys are out. I couldn't find any stores on the East Coast that had any. A lot of other people couldn't find any East Coast stores that had any. It was pretty much the West Coast, Best Buy, Samsung, stuff like that you could get this device, and some of the Samsung Experience stores. So like I said, I think the demand was very low, but the supply was even lower. Just that being said, you know, I think Samsung's trying to hype this phone up a little bit more than what it really is, just by having a very low supply. So it looks like, oh, we're out of stock on day one. But like I said, no average consumer is running out there to buy this phone on day one. It's only tech reviewers and techie people like that that know about this technology and that watch the Samsung press events and stuff like that that are going out there on day one trying to find this phone. And a lot of people are saying Samsung should have waited to release this until their inventory was up, but Apple can release an iPhone, and I'm not blaming Samsung specifically on this device, but Apple can release an iPhone and start pre-orders and have a pre-order period for a week, and the phone comes out and there aren't really any supply issues, and there's a lot more iPhones being sold compared to what sold for the Z Flip on day one. So why Samsung wasn't able to stock all the Best Buys and stuff like that on day one is just, you know, like I said, I think they're trying to create false demand for it just by having a low stock, because stocking every Best Buy with a couple phones isn't that hard. Apple can do it in a week for the iPhone, and like I said, not everybody is running out there to buy this phone, so why Samsung couldn't stock most stores is just, you know, kind of weird why they're out so quickly. But that's just my take on it. The Z Flip is currently sold out, so if you plan on getting one, like I said, check out the Samsung website and they'll notify you when more are available. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.